I'm Sergeant Burton, United States Army. Today we're going to be going step by step on how to pack a T11 Reserve parachute. Here's step one right here. Verify the numbers. 6814-1110, April 11. I'm going to dress the top and bottom of the parachute to make sure it's even on both sides. Tie my scoop ties. These scoops grab air and we'll pop these ties upon activation. Clean chute, we say, is a happy chute. Fold these. Check. This is the extractor chute. This is what yanks the chute out of the pack tray. Count 6, so I got 2 right here. S-fold under here. Stowing these risers. Making sure that they're in the correct position. Ensuring that they're the proper length and that I keep adequate tension on the line so that they're nice and neat. Container band on, stacking. We call it dressing. I'll fix it here and there. Just make sure it's where I want it. This is my spring. This is what projects the chute forward. So I got 2 small folds right here. Just the width of my hand. It's called a bridge. So this would be like 1 foot, and I'll fold this back. This would be the other. Bridge over the spring. Press in. Make sure there's no canopy. It's going to get pulled in. Squeeze from top to bottom. Get it in. It's facing the right direction toward the samplers. Insert the first curve pin. And then I'll go ahead and tuck the other flap in, and then we hang it. Make sure it passes the test. There. See that it's held. Off. Good to go, live chute. So that's how you pack a T11 Reserve parachute in the U.S. Army. I'm Sergeant Burton. Go check out more info at GoArmy.com.